G'day everyone. A few months ago I filmed a review of the Piscifun Phantom baitcaster reel. In the review, it wasn't a great review, but I mentioned that the line lay was very uneven. It was higher on one side than the other, and that I continually had to adjust the brakes. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that and any other problem that you may have with a Piscifun baitcaster reel. Right now, full disclaimer, about a week after I filmed that Piscifun Phantom review, I actually ran over that reel. I kid you not, I was fishing with my wife Loretta, and I put my rod in the back and she'd already put hers in the back, so I thought. I got in the car, I reversed to pull out from where I was parked, and I bumped over something, and I said, "What was that?" She said, "I didn't feel anything," and I thought I must have just run over a bit of burnt wood or something from a campfire. Turned out it was my reel, and I completely squashed it. But anyway, I also had the Piscifun Phantom X, which I bought, and I've been using that for a while. But if you have a look at this, you'll see that this too also has really poor line lay. Look at how much higher it is on this side compared to that side. And because it's so much higher on one side, when I go to cast, I can't keep even pressure on the thumb here because it's not uneven. And when the line goes over to this side, I'm putting more pressure on. When it goes over to that side, I'm putting no pressure on. And that is what causes so many problems. I've had so many problems with this reel casting it. So in this video right now, I'm going to go and show you exactly what you need to do if you're having similar issues with your Piscifun reel, your Piscifun baitcaster reel. Wow, that was close. This side plate almost went through my kitchen window. I'm not joking. But anyway, folks, that is, let's see if I can focus on that. That is the very best way to fix any issues that you are having with your Piscifun baitcaster reel. Now, you see this? This is a Daiwa Tachula 150. I've never used one of these reels. I just went into adventure camping and fishing this morning and bought it. I haven't even opened the box, as you can probably tell by the way I'm going around in circles here. Look at that. I've always used Shimano gear, and I wanted to try something different. Shimano have been good, but I like a change of scenery. Tried the Piscifun. It's a $70 reel. You can't expect too much, but that's yeah. I don't know, I reckon you can do better than that for $70. I've never used one of these reels. This is a Daiwa Tachula. I've got on, is it in here? This one. I bought this a few months ago. This is a Daiwa Fugo. I put this on a lightweight reel. I put this on a lightweight rod a couple of months ago. The lighting's not real good in here at the moment, so just excuse me, it's a bit dark, if it's a bit dark. That line there, that's Piscifun, that's Lunker braid, 12 pound, and I quite like it, it's quite good braid. For the record, it's only the Piscifun baitcasters that I'm not happy with. I've got a couple of Piscifun spinning reels, and I really like them. They're good quality reels, and I still stand by what I said in my Piscifun spinning reel reviews, that the Piscifun spinning reels are actually very good value. They're about $100. They're as smooth as you like. They work really well. I stand by that. My issue was with the baitcaster reel. I don't want people going out and buying them just because I use one, to be quite honest, because they'll be disappointed. At first I thought, yeah, it's not the best, but it works. It gets the job done. But after standing and spending so much time on the bank of the river untangling line, I thought, nah, enough's enough. So I've gone to adventure camping and fishing this morning, and I bought myself a Daiwa Tachula. I actually like the fact that it's got this little spider on it. I reckon that's going to go really well with my Venom baitcaster rod. It's going to create a pretty venomous type of a feel. I wanted to get another Fugo like that one because I really like that reel. I've been super impressed with that Daiwa Fugo reel that's on that rod. And being that I've never used Daiwa before, that was my introduction to Daiwa, and I really liked it. The problem is it doesn't have the same line capacity. At the moment, it's got 12-pound Piscifun Lunker braid on it, and it just works a treat. And most of all, if I can zoom in, the line lay is really smooth. A bit awkward here. If you look there, you'll see the line is laying nice and flat across there. It's not all balling up on one side, and that's with light line, which is probably more prone to sitting uneven. So I wanted to get another one of them today, but what I found was that the line capacity wasn't as good as the Tatula. The Tatula can hold around about 50% more line than that. So I think that's a very good reel. I think it'll do exactly what I want, and I could have bought one, but just to get extra line on the extra line capacity, I went the Tatula instead. Stay tuned. I can't tell you what I think of it now because I can't go fishing. Next summer, when I can get out and start casting it around, I'll get back to you and tell you what I think of this reel. Hopefully it won't get the axe. I'm pretty sure it's not going to get the axe.